Right then, let's get cracking. Today we're going to do something absolutely brilliant. We are going to cook a full-on dim sum feast right in your own kitchen. Forget ordering takeout, my friends, because what you're about to make is going to blow it out of the water. We're talking 3 gorgeous dishes, lovely little pot stickers, mega crispy egg rolls, and a fried rice that is just out of this world. This isn't about complicated fiddly cooking. It's about having a bit of fun and making food that is packed with flavor. This whole beautiful spread is designed to feed 4 hungry people, and it's all about sharing. The best food is made for sharing, isn't it? You get to put all these lovely plates in the middle of the table, and everyone just dives in. It's a fantastic way to eat. You can get your family involved, maybe get a mate to help you with the chopping and folding. It turns cooking from a chore into a proper event, a bit of a party. We'll be making about 20 to 24 pot stickers and 8 to 10 big, beautiful egg rolls, so there will be plenty to go around. Don't be nervous if you've never made dim sum before. I'm going to walk you through it, step by step. Now, I've got a brilliant little trick for you right from the start, a real time saver. We are going to make one big, beautiful batch of filling and use it for 2 different dishes. That's right. The same delicious pork and cabbage mixture will be the hero in both our pot stickers and our egg rolls. This is smart cooking, people. It means less work, less washing up, and you still get 2 completely different, amazing textures and flavors. It's all about working clever, not harder. So, are you ready? Let's get our aprons on and make some magic happen. This plan is all about giving you the confidence to whip up a fantastic meal that looks and tastes incredible. Okay, first things first, let's talk about what you need to buy. Good food starts with good ingredients, so let's get our shopping list sorted. We're keeping it simple and accessible. Most of this stuff you'll find in any big supermarket. For our lovely pot stickers, you'll need about 1 pound of ground pork. Get the best you can afford. Then, grab 2 cups of finely shredded Napa cabbage, a couple of spring onions, and a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget the round dumpling wrappers. For seasoning, you just need some good soy sauce, a bottle of sesame oil, and a bit of white pepper. Next up, the crispy egg rolls. You'll need a packet of square egg roll wrappers. They're usually in the chilled section near the tofu. For the filling, you can use some of that pork mix we're making, or you can grab about 3 cups of a pre-shredded coleslaw mix. That's cabbage and carrots, a great shortcut, you know. A splash of oyster sauce will give it that authentic, savory kick. And of course, you'll need a good amount of neutral oil for frying, like vegetable oil or canola oil. We're going to deep fry these beauties until they are golden and ridiculously crunchy, so don't be shy with the oil. Now for that better than takeout fried rice. The absolute star of this dish is 4 cups of cold, day-old cooked white rice. I cannot stress this enough, it has to be cold. We'll get into why later, but trust me on this. You'll also need 3 large, beautiful free-range eggs, a cup of frozen peas and frozen carrots, a brilliant freezer staple, and more of that lovely soy sauce and sesame oil. And here's my secret weapon for the best fried rice ever, 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, butter. So there you have it, your complete shopping list. It's not a massive list, is it? We're using a lot of the same hero ingredients across the different dishes, which is just smart. It keeps costs down and makes the whole process feel less overwhelming. Getting all your ingredients lined up before you start is half the battle won. It puts you in control and lets you just enjoy the process of cooking. So get your bits and bobs together, and let's move on to the prep. Right, this is the most important part of the whole operation, the prep. If you get all your chopping and mixing done first, the cooking part will be a walk in the park. It's what the pros do. They call it mise en place, which is just a fancy way of saying get organized. First, let's tackle that cabbage for our filling. Finely shred your Napa cabbage, pop it in a bowl, sprinkle it with a good pinch of salt. Give it a toss and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This salt is going to draw out all the extra water, which is key. You don't want a soggy filling, do you? After it's had a little rest, grab handfuls of the cabbage and squeeze it hard over the sink. You'll be amazed how much liquid comes out. Get it as dry as you possibly can. Now, in a big bowl, chuck in your ground pork, add the squeezed cabbage, add the finely minced spring onions, add the grated ginger. Season it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Get your hands in there and give it a good mix, but don't go mad and overwork it. Just bring it all together. This beautiful mixture is your one-stop shop for pot stickers and for egg rolls. Brilliant. Now let's get our wrapping station set up. Divide that filling. Use about half raw for the pot stickers. The other half needs to be cooked for the egg rolls. 2 bowls on a wooden board, raw filling or cooked filling, ready for egg rolls. Get a pan on the heat, add a splash of oil, stir-fry the remaining pork mixture with your coleslaw mix. Cook until pork is through and veg just tender. Add a splash of oyster sauce. While that's cooling, fold your pot stickers and wrap your egg rolls. Set up a little assembly line. Have your wrappers ready, have your filling ready, have a small bowl of water ready. Get kids or a friend to help. Many hands make light work. Once everything is folded and rolled, arrange them on a tray lined with baking paper. See? All your components are ready. The hard work is done. Now for the fun bit, the cooking. Let's cook these gorgeous little pot stickers. They are called pot stickers for a reason. They get this amazing crispy bottom from frying, but the filling is perfectly cooked because they also get a lovely steam bath. Grab a large skillet or frying pan with a lid. Make sure the lid fits well to trap the steam. Place a round wrapper and pop a teaspoon of raw pork and cabbage filling in the center. Don't overfill it. Dip your finger in water and run it around the edge. This is your glue. Fold into a half moon, pleat one side, press to seal, then stand it on its flat bottom. Heat to medium-high with a tablespoon of oil. Place the pot stickers flat side down. Hear that sizzle? Fry 2 minutes. Check for deep golden bottoms. Pour in a 1/4 cup of water and immediately cover to steam 3 to 5 minutes. Remove lid, let water evaporate, re-crisp a minute, then serve hot with soy sauce. Absolutely delicious. Right, let's make some seriously crispy egg rolls. I'm talking shatteringly crisp golden brown beauties that are 1,000,000 times better than store-bought. Quick close-ups of crunch and golden color. We're going to deep fry these. Quick safety notes. Hot oil is no joke, be careful. Use a deep, heavy-bottomed pan, or use a wok. Fill the pan only about 1/3 of the way up with oil. Keep the little ones out of the kitchen. Never ever leave the pan unattended. A thermometer is your best friend. We want the oil at a steady 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Remember that lovely cooked pork and veg filling that's been cooling down? It's time for it to shine. Lay a square wrapper diamond style. Spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cool filling in a little log near the bottom corner. Don't overstuff. Fold the bottom corner up and over. Tuck snugly. Fold in both sides like an envelope, then roll up. Dab a little water on the last corner to seal. Roll up all your filling. That should give you about 8 to 10 fantastic rolls. This is the very first thing we're going to cook, so they can stay warm while you make everything else. Time to fry. Once your oil is at that perfect temperature, gently lower a few egg rolls into the oil using a spider or tongs. Don't overcrowd the pan, cook in batches. Let them fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning them over halfway through. Fry until bubbly, crisp, and a beautiful deep golden brown. Lift out and drain on a wire rack. A wire rack is much better than paper towels. Air circulates and keeps them crisp. Then pop them into a low oven at 200 Fahrenheit, or about 95 Celsius to keep hot and crispy. Now for the fried rice. This isn't just any fried rice, this is proper, top-notch, better than takeout fried rice. And the biggest secret is cold, day-old rice. When rice cools in the fridge, the grains firm up, the starch changes. That means grains stay separate when fried instead of clumping into a mushy mess. Freshly cooked rice is too soft and steamy. A little planning turns good fried rice into epic fried rice. Trust me, let's get cooking. Grab a big wok, or your largest frying pan. Get it on high heat and add a splash of oil. Lightly beat 3 eggs, scramble quickly until just set. Don't overcook. Then set aside. Back to the pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt and foam. In go 4 cups of cold rice, plus frozen peas and carrots. Break up any clumps, spread in an even layer, and let it sear for a minute or 2. Pour in 3 tablespoons soy sauce and a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Toss on high heat. Fold the eggs back in, give it a final toss, then taste and add a splash more soy if needed. Scatter over sliced spring onions. Job done. This is it, the final push. The moment where all our beautiful prep comes together to create a stunning feast. The key to success here is timing. It's like conducting an orchestra. You want everything to finish at the same time so it all hits the table piping hot. But don't worry, I've got a simple, foolproof plan for you. We've already prepped everything, so the cooking part is fast and furious. Remember our game plan. Fry the egg rolls first, make the fried rice, cook the potstickers last. Step 1. Get those egg rolls fried. Fry them until golden. Pop them on a wire rack and into a low oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Start the fried rice. Get the wok screaming hot. Scramble the eggs and set aside. Toss rice and veg for a good sear. While the rice is searing, start the potstickers. Heat a second skillet, pan fry the bottoms, add a splash of water, and pop the lid onto steam. By the final minute, toss soy and eggs into the rice. Lift the lid off the potstickers to re-crisp. Give the rice one final toss. Pull the egg rolls out of the oven. See? Everything finishes together. Pile everything onto platters and bowls, carry to the table, put out little bowls of soy sauce or a quick dipping sauce of soy, a splash of rice vinegar, and a few drops of sesame oil. A little chili oil on the side is always a good shout. Garnish with sliced spring onions.